This video presents a few use cases to demonstrate how you can use the Diff and Merge functionality in Oxygen XML Web Author. The first use case is when you're working on a document and you want to view changes that have been made since the last time it was saved. To demonstrate this, I made some changes to this particular topic, and now I want to compare those changes with the repository version before committing. So I'll go to the More menu and compare with latest version from repository. The Web Author Diff tool is triggered and my current version of the document is displayed on the left side while the version from the repository is displayed on the right. And differences are shown in shaded blocks connected with lines so that you can easily recognize the differences. The interface of the Diff tool has various actions and features. I can change the tags display mode to full tags to get a better visualization of the XML structure. Each difference has a marker in the vertical stripe on the right side, and I can click them to navigate to each difference. I can also use the navigation buttons on the toolbar to navigate between them. Notice that there is also a differences view, which is especially helpful for comparing review items like comments. I'll click the first item and notice that a pop-up of the full comment thread is displayed in the left editor. Some actions are available there, for example, to reply to the comment or remove it. If I hover over the particular difference in the right pane, I can see the comment in the repository version, and you can click on each item in the view to focus on each particular difference. This particular difference is content that was deleted in my version, but I changed my mind and want it back in the document, so I'll use the Copy Change from Right to Left toolbar button. I also want to point out that the Diff tool supports text mode comparisons. I'll click the Toggle Text Mode button on the toolbar. You can see that there are some extra white spaces in the left side. This type of difference is not detected in the visual mode, so the text mode comparison can be helpful for these situations. And the text mode also has a set of toolbar actions. I'll click the Merge button to apply the changes. Then I'm ready to commit the changes to the repository. The second use case is when multiple collaborators are working on the same document, and after trying to commit your changes, conflicts are detected. So the Diff tool is used to view the differences and fix the conflicts. Note that this type of conflict resolution workflow requires Web Author to be integrated with a Git repository. For this example, I have an article about European Union emissions, and suppose that there are several people working on this document concurrently. I've made some changes to the document, so I'll try to commit those changes. Some conflicts were detected, so I'm presented with some options. I'll choose Merge and Commit so that I can see the changes and conflicts before committing. The Diff tool is triggered. My current version is displayed on the left, while the version from the repository is on the right. Notice that in this case, there are multiple colors displayed for differences. Gray is for outgoing changes, blue is for incoming changes, and pink denotes a conflict. I'll use the Copy All Non-Conflicting Changes from Right to Left button to accept the non-conflicting changes that were made by other collaborators. Then I'll go ahead and fix the conflict manually. It will just take moving some content within the document. Once I'm done fixing the conflict, I'll quickly navigate through the other differences to make sure there aren't others. I can then commit the changes to the Git repository. The last thing we want to show you is that the Diff tool even works for Markdown documents. This time I'll choose Compare with another file to compare my Markdown document with another version of it that I saved in the repository. Notice that it's similar to the text mode comparison that we saw earlier. I'll click the Ignore White Spaces button that is unique to text mode comparisons. I'll navigate through the differences, and I'll copy all changes from right to left. Now there's no differences detected, so I can merge, and I would then commit the changes to the repository. That concludes the demonstration about using the Web Author Diff and Merge functionality. Thank you for watching.